Hey everyone, today we are making apple dump cake. So if you love apple pie but you hate all of that work, this recipe is for you. This apple dump cake tastes even better than apple pie and it's so easy to make. So let's go ahead and get started here. You can find the full recipe in my description with all of the measurements, instructions, and everything like that. So I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. This is going to go really fast as far as prep. So I went ahead and started to preheat my oven. You're going to use a can of the apple pie filling, and you can see it's already got the apples cut up here. So it takes out so much work. When you're making apple pie, you have to peel the apples, slice them, all of that. And so this takes out all of that work and it tastes so good. So here is the apple pie filling. I'm also going to be using some things I have in my fridge and I want to get rid of. So I'm using applesauce and apple butter. So you don't have to use this. You could just double up on the apple pie filling, so using 2 cans, or you can use some of this applesauce and apple butter, or just applesauce to kind of just make it richer and thicker with apple flavor. So that's what I'm doing here. I really just wanted to use up these ingredients and it turned out really good. So here I'm just mixing everything that I had together. If you're using the 2 cans of apple pie filling, just mix those together. And if you would like to add any extra seasonings, like maybe some cinnamon or something like that, you can go ahead and do that as well. But the apple pie filling does already have some cinnamon in it. Okay, so now I have my baking dish here. This is a 9 by 13 baking dish, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my apples and the mixture that I created all here at the very bottom of the glass baking dish. You don't have to grease it or anything like that. Just pour the apples right into the dish. So this is going to be really easy. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be using a yellow cake mix. So the yellow cake mix is what's going to make the dump cake all come together. You actually don't even have to mix anything together. I'm just spreading out these apples before I add in the yellow cake mix. So with the yellow cake mix, you're just going to simply just sprinkle it on top and then just kind of help it to even out, but you don't really need to mix at all. That's the magic of the dump cake. You can just kind of make sure that everything is even on the top. And so that is what I'm doing here. And this is a great dessert for any time of the year. You could make this in the fall when you're doing everything with apples, or even in the summertime like I'm making now, and serve it with ice cream. So let me know down below, would you serve the apple dump cake with ice cream or with whipped cream? Let me know in the comments section. If you've ever made this dump cake, let me know down below what you think. If you have any different ways of making it or anything like that, I would love to know. So I'm just kind of making sure that everything is evened out, pressing down a tiny bit, but you really don't have to do any of that. You could literally just put the yellow cake mix on top, and that is all you need to do. So now we're going to use butter. I went ahead and melted a whole stick of butter here. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of pour it on top. This is what's going to create that really delicious crust and topping on top, and it's going to taste buttery and gooey and just so good. If you need more butter, go ahead and just add some more. What you want to make sure is that the yellow cake mix has been covered with butter, because that is what's going to really let everything come together without having to mix it. So I went ahead and made sure that I had enough butter, and I also just added a little bit more apple butter to the top of mine. And I will say that I really shouldn't have added the apple butter to the top, just because it doesn't look as pretty as it would if I didn't have the apple butter. It came out pretty dark on top, but you can see that it's moist, it's delicious, and I paired this with some ice cream and it was so good, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in today, and I will catch you on our next video.